Hi everyone. Welcome to Learn with Confidence, your favorite channel for improving your English speaking skills. In today's video, we'll go through simple and practical English conversations that you can use in everyday life. These examples will help you sound confident and natural. Let's get started. 1. At the grocery store. Situation. You're buying groceries. Customer. Excuse me, how much is this bag of apples? Staff. It's $5. Do you need anything else? Customer. Yes. Where can I find milk? Staff. It's in aisle 3. Customer. Thank you. Tip. Use polite phrases like excuse me and thank you often. 2. Meeting a friend. Situation. You meet a friend at a cafe. You. Hi, how are you? Friend. I'm good, thanks. How about you? You. I'm doing great. It's been a while. What's new? A friend. Not much. Just busy with work. You. Let's catch up over coffee. This is a perfect way to start a casual conversation. 3. Asking for directions. Situation. You're lost in a new city. You. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest bus stop? Stranger. Sure, walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You. Thank you so much. Stranger. You're welcome. Always start with excuse me to sound polite. 4. Making a restaurant reservation. A situation. You want to book a table. You. Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for 2. Staff. Sure. What time would you like to come? You. 7 p.m. please. Staff. Perfect. Your table is booked. You. Thank you. This is a simple way to book a table confidently. 5. At a doctor's office. Situation. You're visiting the doctor. A receptionist. Good morning. Do you have an appointment? You. Yes. It's at 10:30 a.m. Receptionist. Great. Please wait and the doctor will see you soon. You. Thank you. This conversation helps you feel prepared for appointments. 6. Asking about the weather. Not situation. You want to know about the weather. You. What's the weather like today? Friend. It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk. You. That's great. Let's go outside. Talking about the weather is an easy way to start small talk. 7. At the airport. Situation. You're checking in for a flight. A staff. May I see your passport and ticket, please? You. Here you go. Staff. Thank you. Your boarding gate is B12. You. Got it. Thanks. Simple and clear communication makes traveling easier. 8. Shopping for clothes. Situation. You're at a clothing store. You. Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a smaller size? A staff. Let me check. Yes, we do. You. Great. How much does it cost? As staff. It's $25. You. Perfect. I'll take it. Shopping is a great chance to practice asking questions. 9. Talking about hobbies. Situation. You're chatting with a new friend. You. Do you have any hobbies? Friend. Yes, I love painting and hiking. What about you? You. I enjoy reading books and playing guitar. This is a fun way to connect with people. 10. Ending a conversation politely. Situation. You're saying goodbye. You. It was great talking to you. Let's stay in touch. Twend. Yes, definitely. Take care. You. You too. Bye. Ending conversations politely leaves a good impression. And that's it for today's lesson on English conversations for everyday life. Practice these conversations and you'll feel more confident speaking English in any situation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.